Hey everyone, in this video we are going to be making a Sprocket Gear. I made a video before, but it was without narration. Now will be easy for watchers with narration. Our information with our gear is here, 1.5 inch pitch, and number of teeth is 16. Let's start. I'm opening a sketch in front plane. First thing I wanna do is finding my pitch diameter. I'm having my roller diameter here, which is 8.51. 16 times we are making circular sketch pattern, as you see. And now, I'm giving my pitch 25.4 divided by 2, and I'm bringing this point to center. As you see, my pitch diameter is 65.10, and in catalogs our outside diameter is 69.5. Now I'm going to create my real sketch for revolving. I'm starting with a line and line. I'm coming back to point, and then automatically my radius coming and finishing it on the exact point. And I'm going to make mirror, and for mirror I need a construction line, as you see I made before. This radius value is on the catalog is 13 millimeter. This dimension is 1.3, and I'm having again one construction line here, and my outside diameter, as I told you, is 69.5, and this dimension is 7.2. All this belong taken from the catalogs. I'm making a revolve and choosing my axis, as you see. We are opening a new sketch here, and we are going to cut our tooth profile. I'm converting this line and creating my radius here. Again, I'm having a construction line. Having a construction line always useful in any case, because I'm going to use mirror for any reason you can use. With control button on our keyboard, I'm adding tangent relation. For this diameter, there is a calculation which is given by 0.12 multiplied by with your roller diameter, and z plus 2, which says 16 plus 2, 18. As you see, we gave these values here, and this value here. I read this value 140 for our gear now, but based on your gear, Sprocket Gear, it can be changed. I'm closing my contour, and now going to cut this profile, and now again circular pattern through all, and selecting the our feature, and here our circular corner and number of teeth. As you see, our profile and our gear is done. I'm going to add a hub and QA. And this can be verifying changing in any producer, and 3mm. I am going to mirror it. I'm choosing features, as you see, adding fillet on the corners to 1.5, sorry. Here chamfers, just 0.5 for this one. Diameter inside 25, and my keyway is 6 with size 30, and I'm going to cut it. I must select contours because of it is not just open contour, and through all or up to next, say we can say up to next here. As you see, our gear is done. It's simple, and let's give our chamfers and make it a little bit handsome, and our model is done.